Punctuation. Understanding its function. Lesson agenda. We will demonstrate the appropriate use of punctuation when writing. Period. A period is used at the end of a statement. Example: today I learned how to use a period in a sentence. Exclamation point. An exclamation point is used to show excitement or emphasis at the end of a sentence. Example: I can't believe how great of a day it is today. Question mark. A question mark is used at the end of a question. Example: can you help me carry in this box? Comma. A comma is used to separate phrases or items in a list. Example: I need to buy an apple, an orange, and a banana. Semicolon. A semicolon is used to join two independent clauses that are closely related. Example: Melissa went to the library to study. It was the only place quiet enough for her to focus. Ellipsis. An ellipsis is used to indicate a pause or trailing off of a thought. Example: weeks later, I finally found my missing shoe. Quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to mark the beginning and end of a quote or to show speech used in a sentence. Example: I'm excited to go to the zoo this weekend, exclaimed Molly. Apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show possession. Example: Jonah's new box of markers had 50 different colors. Colon. A colon is used to introduce groups of words in a series or introduce a quote. Example: Frank was going to buy 3 things: a lamp, a couch, and a book. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.